Welcome to my Life Skills channel. On internet, you can find influencers on several topics like business, health, relationship, of course life skills and so on. But financial influencers, they have more followers. It shows people are lacking financial education. Even these days there is a new term coined for this financial influencers, that is called Finfluencer. But while engaging with this influencer, there are something comes in mind, the perspective of risk and calculative opportunity, etc. As an amateur myself in this field, let's navigate together to all the aspects of this influencer, and that's why my today's topic is Finfluencers and how to indulge. Hello, I am Nandini Das, academician, author and citizen journalist. Now I'll tell you first who is a Finfluencer. Number two, I'll tell you what is the necessity of this Finfluencers. Number three, I'll tell you three pros of these Finfluencers, and in the end I'll tell you two drawbacks of these Finfluencers. So let's start with this. Who is a Finfluencer? Those are a person who educates you about this financial management through technology is a Finfluencer. These Finfluencers, they provide you information, ideas, advice and suggestions about your financial management like mutual fund, stock market, shares, etc. Even the World Economic Forum says that what is the need of these influencers? They said that there are three places there is the need of these influencers, and three is: one is your investment strategies, two is your debt management, and third is your financial management in your later part of life. Actually, in schools and colleges, normally we don't get this financial education which is the most relevant. That's why there is the necessity of these Finfluencers. Now you know that who is a Finfluencer and what is the necessity of these Finfluencers. Now coming to the indulging part of these Finfluencers, how you can indulge with them. Number one is the pros of Finfluencers. So number one pro is means benefit of these Finfluencers is you need to pay them as their fee a small amount of money compared to others, or sometimes there is no fee at all. That is number one pro. Number two pro is those who have less capital, small amount of money and they want to invest, these Finfluencers are useful for them. And number three pro is they provide you the ideas, the information about many apps, different financial plannings for free. So these are all pros of these Finfluencers. Now coming to the drawbacks of these Finfluencers. Number one drawback is always you are in a dilemma about the trustworthiness of the apps or the organizations they suggested you. That is one drawback. Number two drawback is these influencers, their advice or suggestion is too generic, while you need based on your need, on your ability, you need specific advice. So this is, but anyhow, in a nutshell we can say that we got the basic idea how to indulge with these Finfluencers. With me also, I hope you have also educated yourself about these Finfluencers. And if you like this topic, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.